Carson and I went to see my little mama this week, and she had voiced to me that she had a lot of tomatoes that she wanted to utilize, and she and I put our heads together and we came up with this casserole. I started out by using about 1 cup of real mayonnaise, 1 diced yellow onion, about 5 teaspoons of oregano, I added 1 teaspoon of basil, 4 cups of mild cheddar cheese. Mixed that really well. Now my mom had a lot of little small tomatoes that she had grown on her patio, and we did not count them, but I'm guessing you would use 6 to 8 tomatoes for this. I fried 1 pound of bacon until it was crispy. Now we're going to throw this together. You'll need 1 large can of Grand's biscuits, and go ahead and pull them apart. And I got about 2 to 3 layers of biscuit dough out of 1 biscuit, and I lined this entire casserole dish with them. Now I'm going to do the first layer of tomatoes. Now my cheese and mayo mixture. And my little cameraman's doing such a good job. And go ahead and put half of your bacon on top of that. And now we are going to do another layer of tomatoes, another layer of the mayo cheese mixture, and crumble your bacon on top. Now we're going to add some sliced cheese, and we're just using what we've got. Took the biscuit dough that I had pressed along the sides of this 9x13 deep dish, and I folded them down and pressed them and put fork marks in them to make the biscuit dough look homemade. Put it in the oven, baked it for about 40 minutes with aluminum foil on top. Pulled that aluminum foil off, baked this for about 15 or 20 more minutes, and pulled it out, and voila! I sprinkled this with a little bit of oregano on top just to kind of make it look more appealing, more decorative, and the picture does not even do it justice. This was a beautiful casserole. Unfortunately, I cannot have pork, so I couldn't tell you what this tastes like. It sure did smell good. But my mom and my sister said this tasted really, really good, and Mom said this was seasoned to perfection. Kristen and I enjoyed our visit with my little mama. He fondly calls my mama Henny, and she loves it.